Good day guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to hide number of reactions on your Facebook post. Okay, what I'm going to do is to open up my Facebook application. Okay, when I open up my Facebook application, I'll go ahead and click and open my menu, and then now I'm going to open up my settings. Okay, so if you open up your settings, just scroll down a bit and then click on reaction preferences. Okay, so from here you're going to see hide number of reactions. Okay, the first option is on post from others, meaning that you won't see the total number of reactions for post others share. Okay, then the second option is on your post, meaning that if you toggle this button on, other people won't see the total number of reactions that you get on your post. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on it and then turn it on. Now the people or likes that I get on my post will not be visible to anybody. Okay guys, if this video have helped, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more important tips. Okay guys, peace out.